Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of my vlog. In this episode of my vlog, I'm going to unbox this Yichuang lav mic and I'm going to test it with my Samsung Note 10. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. Alright guys, if you're new here, my name is Saadon and I vlog about my life and my YouTube journey. Consider subscribing if you want to know what it's like to grow a YouTube channel and my life here in Kuala Lumpur in general. Alright guys, let's do the unboxing. So here's the box. So it has a pouch. There's a windshield and a clip here. And a USB port, and here's the mic with USB-C types connection, so I can just plug into my Note 10. So let's see how long the wires are. So that's quite long. I think it's about 1 meter. So the price is 69 ringgit. So that's about 18 US dollar. So I'm going to plug the microphone now and we will see whether it works or not. Alright guys, so I've plugged in the microphone. So this is what it sounds like once I've plugged in the lav mic to my phone. Alright guys, so that's all for this episode of my vlog. Don't forget to like, to comment and to subscribe, and until the next episode, bye for now.